Hi guys, this is Rowan aka the Human Voice Box, and today I'm bringing you more free sound effects. This sound effect is going to be the sound of silence. So if you're doing a film which is really loud and you just need it to go all quiet, then you can place this audio track over the top of everything and the silence will drown everything else out. So I'll play that free silence sound effect now. You can use this sound effect on scenes where people are sleeping, scenes in a graveyard, and scenes like in Saving Private Ryan, where his ears are ringing on the Normandy beach and he looks around and he sees that guy picking up his severed arm. That's where you can use this silence sound effect. So I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your film.